Once we have adjusted our project so that it sits squarely on our flat surface, and we have adjusted all of our horizontal supports so that they are perfectly up and down, we want to use our 1/8 inch drill bit to drill a second pilot hole into our horizontal support. And you want to make sure that you drill deeper than the length of the screw. Now we're only going to do this for one horizontal support at this time. And then we're going to install that screw. With that screw installed, we want to double check our connecting point to make sure there is no gap. We want to double check all of our horizontal support pieces to make sure that none of them shifted on us. And we also want to double check our project for teeter to make sure that when we installed the screw, it didn't throw anything off and cause our project to rock back and forth. After all of these things have been checked, we're going to drill another hole and install another screw, and then check everything again. We're going to continue with this procedure until all of the screws have been installed. And after all of the screws have been installed, our project sits nice and flat on the ground. Everything is tight, and there are no open joints from where the horizontal supports connect up with the sides.